Alright, I just want to do a quick video on factorising a quadratic trinomial, and the reason I want to do this is that it's a very important skill to have, because quite often when you're studying any maths you come across these quadratic trinomials. So I'd just like to show you a little shortcut that I use when I'm factorising them. Okay, we call them trinomials because they've got three terms. So we're going to factorise this little one. We're going to call this function x squared. Sorry, take x, take 12. Right, there's our function. Now basically, some people do the FOIL approach. I've got my own approach. What I do is I look for two numbers that multiply to give me this term 12, and I look for two numbers that add to give me the coefficient to this term. Now the coefficient, just remember, coefficient is the number in front of the x or y term, whatever term you're looking at. So here it's a 1. Okay, so off the top of my head, I'm going to reconcile this. So basically I'm going to do -4 times by +3, and that'll give me -12. And here as well, that's going to work because -4 plus 3 equals -1. So I've got the numbers I need to go on with the factorisation. So let's rewrite this function out and let's expand it in expanded form. So I've got x squared take 4x plus 3x, and that's because -4x plus 3x gives us -1, take 12. So I've just expanded that expression here. Okay, now we're going to factorise it. So we'll do the first step of the factorisation is look for a common, so basically what I do, is I just split my function down the middle. I look for a common factor in each half. So x is common, so it's common to both terms in this part. Take away 4, I've got a positive sign, plus 3x. Now I need a -12, so I need to multiply the +3 by a negative. So I multiply that by -4. And then I end up with a common factor here. Here's my common factor. So I end up with x take 4 multiplied by this x plus 3. Alright, so I factorised that expression there into a simpler form. Now, it's important that you check that this does equal that. So let's multiply it out, because quite often you can go wrong in the factoring, and that can really mess up the whole thing. So x squared, my red lines indicate where I'm multiplying. Take 4x x squared take 4x plus, ignore that line, got confused for a minute, plus 3x take 12. And that's right, -4x plus 3x is -x, so that equals x squared take x take 12. So yes, we are correct in our factorising. Okay, we're going to use that for the next video. on calculating the limit with a rational function.